enough, there'll be a different role to fill. I love this feeling, but I hate this part. I wanted this to work so much, I drew up our plans on a chart. Cars are flipping, I'm in hot pursuit. My character's strong, but my head is loose. She hits like ecstasy, comes over and bangs the sense out of me. The tarot cards say it's not so bad, and the blades rotate, there's just no landing pad. And better